what is this country even turning to? That the prices of everything just the high. Now so it just the high. It just the high like high blood pressure. A homie.
You be mumu.
A homie cannot even boast of anything, even shishi like this. A homie. Chai. Emma, why are you crying?
But that's there is one boy.
One boy. Wait, one boy that did what?
The boy beat me and collect the 30 naira you give me.
Wait, the boy beat you. Wait, I want to hear you very very. That the boy beat you.
Yes.
And collected the 30 naira that I gave to you.
Yes.
You were not informed too?
Hey! Wait. I want to hear you well. I want to very very hear you well. So you want to tell me that the 30 naira I gave to you, my last card that I gave to you to buy sugar for me, that someone collected it from you? And the person did not give you any sugar? Well, in this world?
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
When sorry, mommy, what I can eat? Oh, you want to tell me? Oh, wait here, I'm coming. Then wait here. I will deal with somebody. No, I don't need your decision yet.
Listen now.
No, I don't need your decision. What can you make here? If I don't hear your decision, I will deal with you.
Yeah, don't leave
Today, I was told that circumcised and come and leave that took my darkness away from you. Tiger, I want to know that idiot.
You be mumu.
Today, I will show the paper. I will never know. I will show the
See the people, yeah, now them.
these people.
Yes.
Are you sure these people?
Yes, now them.
Come on, make you go on. Come on, make you go on. These people that I know.
You think say they wise?
They go to Jehovah's Witness. What are you telling me? They are Christians. People that I know.
You only you
Don't even try that kind of joke with me again. Good news, sir. I agree.
Jore, come on, stop it there. What are there?
Because you never reach like this.
He went and called you to come fight me, Abi.
Who I be now? Who I?
Process, they knock up for head.
It's my child. It's my in-law. It's my cousin.
Come
You
on,
think say they
all are
wise?
there. This one are there. And they talk, they talk.
You came
fully prepared with your battle.
No.
You were not
You
informed
carry
too?
batty. Who you want fight? Now.
Now.
Look there. Who you want fight? Who you
I
fit
see what
fight? Yeah.
I was telling the boy. I think that I know you people.
how many times
we
did
are
they tell
friendly.
you before you know that Nigeria is not?
And I bounce on him. Oh yeah, they para. Wait, they para him.
I think they go to the church.
Show the way.
I'll make I show you my hand.
Go down.
Hey, wait.
Hold on, I say something.
Go down.
He never reach like this. He never reach like this.
No, now you can't this.
You can't.